Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and I got a little trick for you that I just learned not that long ago. It has to do with childproof caps, and this just happens to be a vitamin bottle that I poured into another one because there's always like this much, and then there's like a ton of space, so I just pour them all into one if I can. So, anyways, it has to do with the childproof cap. And what I found out is, well, I don't have the strength to pry it off, but if it's on there, you're supposed to be able to pry it off, but it's really hard to do. So I ended up cracking it, trying to get something to pry it off with, and you can kind of see where I dug into it to try to see if it actually worked. And when I finally got it to pry off, which I had to do a few spots once I cracked the side to get this part out, is that this is just a normal twist-on, twist-off cap. What makes it childproof is this pattern and these little dots down, these little lines down here. So if you're strong enough or know somebody strong enough to pry that cap off, or don't mind breaking it, and I did try this cap even with that pry mark in it and the bumps that it created, trying to get it to come out. It still twists on and twists off just fine. But yeah, there's a normal cap underneath there that you can use and not have to worry about using the childproof all the time, especially if you don't have any children in the house, or so like I don't have anybody else in this house, especially not kids, and I don't have any friends right now that have little kids, so I just wanted to see if it would work and if it was true. And it is. There's this cap underneath there, and it just twists on. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it with one hand. And looking through the camera, that might be a little bit of difficulty. I'm not going to be able to do it. But I did just do it prior to turning on the camera to see if it fit back on there and worked properly, and it does. So hopefully I don't have to prove it, because right now I really can't do it one-handed. I might try again. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do this one-handed, but it does go on there. Like I said, it does grab a little bit right here, but I could fix that in a few seconds with, just trying to push what I pushed in to get it out. I just go in the inside here and push it out again, and it shouldn't grab at all. But it does twist on, twist off, and yeah, it's just a little hack that I found, and I found that it actually is true. So, if I wanted to use this bottle and not use the childproof part, now I can. So yeah, there you go. Alright, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.